Looking to build a remote-first team? With Panther, you can welcome your teammates wherever they are in the world in just a few minutes. From hiring to paycheck, Panther makes sure you stay compliant with local laws, taxes, and benefits so that your remote team has all it needs to start working right away. And because we're active in over 150 countries, you'll never have to spend millions setting up local entities to make it happen. It's all done through us. With our one-stop platform, you don't have to pay each employee or contractor individually. All it takes is one click, and everyone gets their paycheck automatically in their local currency. And if something changes with local labor laws, you won't have to do a thing. We'll take care of that for you. No setup costs or hidden fees. Whether you're a team of 10 or 10,000. Creating the remote team you dream of shouldn't be a frustrating and expensive process. Build talented, productive, and happy teams with Panther. And don't let the red tape distract you from doing work that matters. That's remote hiring as simplified as it gets. That's Panther.